Hello everyone, welcome to Catalysis by Vedantu. My name is Pahul and I'm an alumnus of IIT Bombay. You know that the new dates for JEE Mains 2020 and NEET 2020 have been released, yes. And because of this, there is a lot of nervousness, anxiety that has again popped up amongst all the JEE and NEET aspirants. And the question that everyone has is, what should be our strategy? New dates, so there should be a new strategy. Let me ask you, if the dates are new, should the strategy also be new? See, you are 2 months away from the examination, and as soon as this lockdown began, all of us people who are smart enough to understand the adverse effects of the COVID-19 virus, every one of us predicted already that it'll take at least 2 months or more for it to settle down, at least. Yeah. So we already knew that we had around 2.5 months for this preparation. We've already made our plans. So once again, let me tell you what your strategy should be in case you forgot. First thing is, strengthen your strong points. Whatever chapters you are good at, make sure you get better at them. Read the NCERT, solve the NCERT's questions, solve the previous year questions of those particular chapters and get well versed with them. Fine. The second thing that you have to do is you need to take at least 3 mock tests every single week. Yes, at least 3 mock tests every single week. These days, online mock tests are easily available, or even if you have some book, you can choose a certain section and treat it as a mock test for that particular day. And after your mock test is done, I am assuming that you are giving 3 hours of a mock test because that's the duration of your examination. After those 3 hours, after you've had your lunch break or after you've had your snacks and playing around, then come back and analyze that test. See what did you do with those questions. Ask those questions. What did I do with you? Did I solve you correctly or did I not solve you correctly? See whether you've made a silly mistake, whether you've lost time because you couldn't manage the clock properly. See whether your concepts are well in those questions or not. And wherever you find problems, try to improve that in the next test. For example, you find out that you've done so many silly mistakes. In the next test, try to be a little more calm in the examination. Try to take care of your calculation mistakes, etc., etc. Yeah. So this is the strategy. Make your strengths stronger. Take mock tests at least 3 times a week and analyze those mock tests thoroughly. The analysis might take 5-6 hours as well. Also, there are some must-do topics in chemistry. What are those topics? Periodic properties, biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life, polymers, atomic structure to some extent. These topics are very easy to do. Yeah, these generally ignored topics, and one question from each of these topics comes almost every year in our examinations. These are so easy that you can just study NCERT and become an expert at these topics. So please make sure you don't leave these now. If you want me to tell you all of these pointers in more detail, then the good news for you is I've already taken a strategy session for JEE 2020 and NEET 2020. Yes, so in that session for more than half an hour, I've gone into the detail of each and every point that I've said today. I've told exactly what books you should refer. I've told exactly what time you should study. I've told exactly how many mock tests you should give, how exactly should you analyze it, what are the important topics of chemistry, what are the must-do topics, etc., etc. All the information that you want for a strategy has already been made, and the link to that video is in the I button up there, also in the description box. So make sure you check out that video in case you want an elaborate strategy. If you've already seen that video, good, just keep doing what you're doing. The main thing to do in these days is to stay calm and stay focused. I know that delays make you anxious, happens to everyone, but the entire world is suffering this COVID-19 crisis right now. So do not worry about your examinations. Stay calm, stay focused, keep doing what you're already doing and strive to do it better every single day. I'm sure you will pass the examination with flying colors. Alright, in case you have any specific queries, you can leave that in the comment section down below. Please make sure you watch that other video that I told you about. And my dear friends, if this video was helpful in any manner, do hit that like button and stay subscribed to this channel because we have lots of series going on related to chemistry that will be helpful for your preparation, quick revision, advanced question solving, detailed chapters, everything. So please stay subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to check out our playlists. I'll see you later. Ciao.